Festival. Once again, let's welcome Christine Dineros, representing Caracol Festival.
Mabuhay! I am Christine Mendoza Dineros, representing Caracol Festival from the Central Business of the Philippines, Makati.
Thank you so much, Christine. And now let's welcome Zarina Mayor Ayub, representing Dinamulag Mango Festival.
My name is Zarina Mayor Ayub, 16 years of age, from Dinamulag Mango Festival, province of Zambales.
Thank you so much, Zarina Mayor Ayub, representing Dinamulag Mango Festival. And now let's welcome Prima Joy Narag Alamban, representing Tambong Festival.
Magandang hapon po. Ako po si Prima Joy Narag Alamban mula sa bayan ng Tambubong, Lungsod ng Malabon.
And now let's welcome Arabella Magalas, representing Fiesta Republica.
Magandang araw and mabuhay. I am Arabel Sulit Mangahas, 20-year-old, a dedicated legal management student and a dancer and a part-time worker. I am also a staunch advocate for culture and history, and that's why I'm bringing you Fiesta Republica of Malolos.
Thank you, Arabella. And now let us welcome Rizalina Toledo, representing Dayang Dayang Festival.
Mabuhay! I'm Rizalina Toledo, 24, your Miss Dayang Dayang Festival from the travel city of the Philippines, Pasay City.
Thank you, Rizalina Toledo. Now let's welcome Rayleigh Jane Villaray, representing Grand Amungan Festival.
I am Rayleigh Jane Gamboa Villaray, representing the Grand Amungan Festival of the naturally vibrant Nueva Vizcaya.
Thank you, Rayleigh Jane. And now we would like to welcome Amira Sulaiman Said Di Almama, representing Tagultol Fishing Festival.
Celebrating the bountiful fish harvest of Atimonan, Quezon, Tagultol Fishing Festival.
Thank you so much, Amira. And now let's welcome Michelle Angela Opal, representing Lakbayan Festival.
magnificent Lakbayaw Festival of the city of Manila!
Thank you, Michelle. And now we would like to welcome Mia Loreen Tamayo, representing Pasigarmo sa Sugbo Festival.
I am Mia Loreen Tamayo, representing Pasigarmo sa Sugbo from the province of Cebu.
Thank you so much, Mia Loreen Tamayo. Now let's welcome Maria Sofia Reyes, representing Halamanan Festival.
Maria Sofia Pabilio Reyes, 19, from the garden capital of the North, Halamanan Festival, Giginto, Bulacan.
Thank you, Maria Sofia. And now we welcome Nicole Brescio, representing Sunuan Festival.
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako nga po pala si Nicole Brescio, representing the Sunduan Festival of Parañaque City. Thank you so much, Nicole Brescio. Now let us welcome Kate Winsland Villa, representing Tanok ni Ilocano Festival.
Bagnal Tao Aliwan, I am Kate Winslet Villa, 21, from the festival, where accomplishments and aspirations of Ilocanos are celebrated through cultural greatness and excellence. Tanok ni Ilocano Festival, from the province of Ilocos Norte.
Thank you so much, Kate Winslet. And now we welcome Risty Esplivira, representing Antipolo Maytime Festival.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Risty Esplivira, 18 years old, representing Antipolo Maytime Festival, the national shrine of the Philippines, Antipolo City!
Thank you so much, Ritzy. And now let us welcome Mariel Bongert, representing Sinulog Festival.
Sa tinubdan sa Sidlakang Bahandi, sa kadagatan sa Cebu. Ako si Mariel Bogert, mapasigarbuhong nagrepresentan sa Sinulog Festival. Viva Senyor Santo Niño! Viva Pin Senyor!
Thank you, Maria. And now we welcome April Joy Tanya Franca, representing Pasayahan Festival.
April Tanya Franca, representing Pasayahan.
Festival.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Micaela Rein Agay, representing Flomlang Festival, where celebration of farmers and indigenous people in the province of South Cotabato. It's time for Mindanao!
Thank you so much, Micaela. And now we welcome Juliana Luis H. Martinez, representing Niyog-Niyugan Festival.
From Quezon Province!
Thank you, Juliana Louise. And now let's welcome Suihen Laxmi Del Rosario representing Hamaka Festival.
Del Rosario, kumakatawan sa mapulay at masiglang selebrasyon ng Hambang Makina at Kabuhayan o Hamaka Festival mula sa munisipalidad ng Taytay, lalawigan ng Rizal.
Thank you very much, Suihen Laxmi. And now we welcome Priyanka and Ina Laurena Goswami, representing Ayat Festival.
Naimbag na aldaw kada kayo amin. This is Priyanka Ina Laurena Goswami, 18, representing Ayat Festival from the surfing capital of the North, province of La Union.
Thank you so much, Priyanka Elena Laurena Goswami. And now let's welcome Angel Jen Zaragoza Ladore representing Dinagyang Festival.
Maayong adlaw. I am Angel Jen Zaragoza Ladore, 19, proudly representing the vibrant Dinagyang Festival from the City of Love, Iloilo City.
And our candidate number 21 and 22.
Go right.
Here are Sam and DJ Rock. And that completes our list. We have beautiful 20 lovely candidates. Palakpakan po niya